तुमकां खबर आसा मडगांव रेल्वे स्थानकाचेरूच आमी धरलें जाल्यार आतां म्हणसर 200च्या वयर भुरगीं वेगवेगळ्या परिस्थितीन ह्या वर्सा मेळ्ळ्या. कांय जाण शेणटा जाल्यार कांय रागाच्या भरान घर सोडून येता आनी मागीर रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर पावतकीर पुर्रायपणान नाबूद जातात.
These runaway children are mostly from other states like Karnataka, Rajasthan, or UP, so Jharkhand.
अशा वेळार तांकां मायेचो आदार दितात ते चायल्डलायन ह्या संघटनेचे वावुरपी. सणा सुदीक सुटी घेनासतना 24 वरां म्हणजे 24/7 ते रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर आपल्या बुथान काम करता आनी मायेचो आसरो दिता.
Like runaway cases, like no, it is actually very easy to identify because the child is alone mostly, sitting alone on the railway premises. The child is nervous, scared, so don't know where to go. So then we identify such children. We go and ask them like how did they come here. After rescuing, we get them to our cabin. We have a counselor. So the counselor talks to the child. First thing we see that whether the child has had something or no food. If no, then we give them food. So today when we got the child was taken to the canteen to eat food. After that, the other formalities, all the procedure is held after that. Once, like years back, there was a case wherein child was left abandoned by the father on the station. The child saw the father going on the train and child was left alone. So that RPF from that Kivim had called. They gave us a call, then we immediately went to rescue the child. The child was brought here to Madgaon station, and then it was a girl child admitted in Apnagar after that. Initially, like runaway cases, children don't want to give contact number of their parents because they have run away, and then they have that fear that they don't want to go back to their parents. But when we approach police for the further procedure, then they normally give their contact numbers. Then we call their parents, and then the parents are intimated about the rescue.
चडशीं भुरगीं आपल्या घरा सुखरूप पावता. ताची पुराय क्रेडीट जितलें रेल्वे पुलीस किंवा कोंकण रेल्वेक मेळटा तितलेंच क्रेडीट आमी दिवपा जाय चायल्डलायन संस्थेक. तांच्या वावराक आमचो सलाम. तुमी पळयतात गोवा न्यूज.